Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now, today I'm coming to you live from my office. Literally the first time I've done it here at HQ. I'm getting a quick live stream in for my audience this evening. It is 7:24 here in Melbourne. And just thought I'd do a live stream from here for once. It's really easy for me to do it from here. There's probably a bit of lag because the camera I've got, it's a Canon SLR. But anyway, there is a lot happening in the crypto world. I'm going to go through some updates, and there's probably a lot of people still sleeping around the rest of the world and just waking up. But let's get into the news and so forth. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome to my office. There is a lot of stuff in here at the moment because it's just madness because of Christmas. But anyway, hope you're all doing well. Let me know where you are actually watching from around the world. And we've got some interesting updates today about Solana literally flipping XRP this morning, which is insane. We also have updates in relation to all of these Bitcoin spot ETF ads, as you can see on the screen. Absolutely wild stuff today. We've got Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse putting out updates as well. BlackRock reveals major Bitcoin ETF update as well. Very nice. And of course, we've got Coinbase shares skyrocketing as well, and ARK Invest, Kathy Woods, putting out some updates also in relation to their spot Bitcoin ETFs, which is interesting. I'm also going to go over quickly my 3 trading bots on OKX. Both are, partners of the channel, which is incredible. And my 3 bots have been working quite nicely today. Currently sitting around about $500 profit, which is really nice. And anyway, there's a lot to go through. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know if you can hear me properly. And yeah, I do apologize about the lag in the vocals. But anyway, let's get into it, Bulls. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification, because as you can see right here, I absolutely love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting freaking insane in this space. Also, if you can give this live stream a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So make sure you give it a good old thumbs up, all right? Down there, guys, down there. Hurry up. Make sure you smash the like button. Also, a little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff, all right? I don't want to see anyone get financially hurt. Now, I'm going to quickly move my screens here. I've got my 2 screens set up. It's a lot easier for me to do it like this. There we go. All right, now I'm more comfortable with this setup. Welcome to the live stream. Welcome. Probably not a lot of viewers at this time of night. It's 7:27. A lot of people in Australia are probably doing Christmas shopping. And I should say everyone else around the world is just probably waking up. But any day, they're going to see it shortly. Let's get straight into the community tab. I'm going to be quick. Let's get through it. Yes, Solana flipped XRP today. That was 11 hours ago, which is absolutely insane. Really unbelievable stuff. I mean, Raoul Pal has been bullish on Solana for so long. We have top altcoins in my portfolio, Electronium, Near Protocol, Star Atlas, Phantom, and TLM, Alien Worlds. Play to earn games are making a slow comeback, if you have noticed that. Really nice stuff, guys. All right. Now, let's go to coin market cap. And then, by the way, I'm going to get to your questions at the end of all of the news. So make sure you leave your comments in there as well. Let's have a look at the total market cap today. 1.64 trillion US dollars. Last 24 hours, it's just a steady increase right there, which is nice. Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 74 at the moment. Volume is still low at $70 billion. Considering when it's flying, you're talking 150 to 200 million plus. So a billion, I should say. So it is quite low at the moment, but the bots are working really nicely. Market dominance, we've got 52% for Bitcoin and 16% for Ethereum. And again, wouldn't it be interesting if either Solana or XRP, I would love XRP, of course, because, bullish on anything on XRP, but Solana, Imagine if it flipped Ethereum. Wow, incredible stuff right here. And we also have the options volatility at 59 and Ethereum's option volatility at 59 also. Very, very nice. Now let's go to some coins here, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, I post these up in the Wall Street Bull University every single day when I'm having my coffee. So if you haven't joined up, the link is below. Having a look at the top altcoins again, it has changed this afternoon, I should say this evening. We have Ubix Network still up 22%. This one is a gem that I found. It's like a Russian-based Ethereum, a layer 1. Electronium, of course, part of the Digital Pound Foundation. We've got Solana up 14% at 86 US dollars. I bought this when it collapsed with FTX. Distressed assets, ladies and gentlemen. Neo as well, up 13.26%. We have Star Atlas, TLM, Near Protocol, and Polkadot, as well as XVG. So go join up in the Patreon. You'll see all of that. Now let's go to Crypto Bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University. I keep pushing for this because I'm extremely bullish on it. This is my official Patreon page. It's just me running it, which is awesome. I love speaking with everyone in the community as well. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, day trading bots. I've got a whole range of information in here, as well as the full setup guides with videos for 3 commas on OKX, trading with leverage. You know, these bots have been insane. It's been a pretty wild ride the last few weeks. I'm not going to lie about that. But anyway, everything's in the Wall Street Bull Patreon. It's linked below. 1,542 posts. That is a lot of information. A lot of that would be considered financial advice on YouTube, hence the reason why I have the Patreon right here. And if you are new to the live stream, welcome, welcome, welcome. We've got in the house GH, welcome, mate. We have Andres right here. We've got Big Man. Il Lupo's in the house. Bongiorno. We've got Mark. We've got Andrew. All right, we've got a small group right here. That's all right. It's good. Now, I'm going to show you my 3 commas bots quickly so you can see what's going on here. Now, again, I have made some adjustments to these multi-bots on 3 commas. Now, again, 2 days ago, I set them up because there was massive market crashes over the weekend, just recently, and sent the portfolio dropping because of liquidations, and I had to make major adjustments because I was going too hard and too fast pretty much with these things. This is what you learn. Anyway, I've dropped them down significantly. I have 2 multi-bots running at the moment. Now, the multi-bots allow me to trade all the perpetual contracts on OKX, literally. Now, again, I'm taking 1.5% profits with this on every single deal, trading a significant amount of deals. As you can see, these only have been trading for 2 days, this bot. It's already made me 726 USDT in 2 days. No BS, ladies and gentlemen. If you're one of the 54 or 92 people that are watching this at the moment, unreal. 269 deals that it has closed. Max active deals at the moment is 139 that this bot will actually undertake. I'm trading on an RSI indicator, which is on a 3-minute time frame. You can sign up for this, by the way. And by the way, 3 commas has got an awesome Christmas sale. You can join up to 3 commas as well and get 50% off your memberships. The link is below if you use my referral link. Anyway, the RSI indicator, you can trade with whatever indicator you wish on 3 commas. There are Bollinger Bands, MACDs, Open New Trade, ASAP. It's whatever you like. You can customize these to basically anything that you actually like. That's it. They've been incredible as well. And yes, I trade with leverage on OKX. Now, I've got both multi-bots set up on a long and short position. So I'm trading the market both ways. So when the market is pumping, I'm capturing that market. And when the market is dropping, I'm also capturing that. So anyway, the new app as well for 3 commas is out. You need to get that for this month because they are closing down the old app. The new app, you can literally do everything, which is awesome. Anyway, let's go to OKX so you can actually see today. So I'm not talking absolute BS. Currently sitting at the moment, at the time of recording right now, or live streaming, I should say, it's 7:33 p.m. That is $439, which is absolutely insane. Just working that out on an average. If you were to, make $439, my calculator's absolutely gone. You're talking around about $3,500 to $4,000 a week in income, and that's just ridiculous. So put that into perspective with these bots. It is definitely a great form of passive income. I'm just calculating that. It's $3,000 a week. Now, I know people that work very, very hard to make this kind of income for themselves every single week. and we're doing it with crypto trading. However, I will say that there is risk with liquidations. You need to be aware of that because we're trading with leverage. Anyway, let's have a look at the trades currently opened up at the moment. I do have available funds of 44 USDT, so I'll pull that out and put that into my funding account on OKX, and then I can do as I wish with that money. Positions open up is 17 positions. So 117 positions currently in trading at the moment. It'll be virtually impossible to do this day trading. You would only have to pick a few altcoins or cryptos for that matter to do day trading, and you would need to sit in front of charts for a very, very long time. This is what happens with day trading, but 3 commas basically allows you to day trade the markets. Now, if we go to position history, this is where it gets really interesting with the 3 commas bots on OKX. These are taking 1.5% profits. I've reduced down my base order. For those of you who don't know this stuff, essentially it's like 100 USDT for every deal. And obviously with leverage, you can borrow against that asset. That's what leverage trading is. I'm trading with 15x. I don't recommend this because I have seen some wild liquidations. But today has been a nice day. All profits right here. A couple liquidations. Let's have a look and keep scrolling down. Mainly wins. One liquidation of 6 USDT right here. Another one of 14. You do get that. All right, so I'm not going to sugarcoat things, but you do get a lot of wins here. I'd say probably a 95% win rate on the trades, taking small profits, but it adds up because the bots are consistently trading non-stop. So guys, go check it out. Everything's in the Wall Street Bull University. It is linked below. You will not regret it. And there's also dividend investing that I put up in the Wall Street Bull University as well. That's something I've been doing for a very, very long time. Let's go to Crypto Bubbles, have a look. And if you're new to the live stream, welcome to the live stream. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Baby needs a new pair of shoes. Yes, we all need a new pair of shoes, Craig. All right, let's get into this. Let me refresh it. Top altcoins today, we've got Near Protocol up 15%. I do hold this in the portfolio, currently trading at $3, which is nice. We have Neo also up, which is really, really good here, sitting at $14. This one I've been holding on for a long time. It's like a Chinese-based layer 1 project, so similar to Ethereum, which is quite nice as well. Solana's pumping, guys, up 622% this year. Now, again, as I mentioned to you, distressed asset. I bought Solana the day it collapsed. It went to like peanuts. So I bought the dip and I've been holding it ever since. And this is the key to any kind of investing, in my opinion anyway. When there is a distressed asset, you take that opportunity. That is exactly what Raoul Pal did with XRP as well. I did it with Solana. Now I'm seeing the benefits of it, right? A lot of people won't tell you this stuff. They're just telling you, oh, you know, they're just talking absolute shit. That's what happens. Anyway, $86. Bullish as anything, ladies and gents. Keep having a look here. We can find some other coins like IOTA at 27 cents. Still incredibly undervalued in my opinion. It is up 67% in the year, 3.1% on the day. Lunar Classic as well. I'm still holding on to this. I am. I don't care what anyone says. Let's see where it goes. Maybe they will reduce the amount of coins in circulation. Who knows? But this was, in the previous bull market, a very expensive coin before all of that stuff happened with UST. Now, I'm going to get into the news. Let's get into this because this has been wild. But Bitcoin ETF issuers pushed 3 crypto ads in 48 hours. They're not wasting any time on the ads. Now, one thing I have to say, do you really think that they would be advertising spot Bitcoin ETFs if they weren't going to get approval? They would not be doing that. It just would not happen. So the mere fact that these institutions have already commenced pushing out spot Bitcoin ETF ads just says to me that they are going to be approved. They wouldn't be doing it otherwise, right? Now, 3 commercials for Bitcoin ETFs have appeared this week as the making a war between competing asset managers heats up. Everybody's going to be fighting for capital. All of these massive institutions are going to be wanting your money to put into their ETF, their exchange traded fund. Of course, BlackRock is going to be the biggest one of them all. ARK Invest also. You know what? Let's see. We're going to have the pick of the bunch, really, when you think about it. However, you know, we are before investors, the big institutions, I should say, which is incredible. It doesn't happen ever. So this is a lifetime opportunity that everyone needs to wake up for, because this is what's coming. It's unbelievable. But the exchange traded fund issuers have fired 2 of their salvos in the brewing crypto marketing war, rolling out a total of 3 crypto ads in just 2 days. Bitwise rolled out its first Bitcoin ETF advertisement on December 18th, featuring actor Jonathan Goldsmith, known for his most interesting man in the world character from the advertising campaign with Dos Equus Beer. Days later, on December 20th, Hashdex published a crypto advertisement featuring a dumper truck with captions, "Stocks aren't crypto, fixed income isn't crypto, precious metals, ? Nope, not crypto either," before promoting the firm. And we've got Bitwise then responded with another short ad featuring Goldsmith on December 20th as well. They're slowly rolling these ads out. Thought you would like to know Satoshi sends his regards. It's pretty boss ad right there. I actually like it. But however, the consensus for the responses across social media was that Bitwise advertising campaign came out on top. So everyone's having an argument about that. Whatever. Who cares? I only care because we're holding the asset before the institutions. Remember that. Solana flips Ripple's XRP in market cap. Yes, that happened today, which is nuts. But Solana claimed the 5th spot among the top cryptos by market cap following an airdrop frenzy, meme coin mania, and smartphone saga as well. I remember their smartphone. Did anyone actually get that or know of someone that's gotten that? But anyway, Solana became the top 5 cryptocurrency after flipping XRP token in terms of market cap right here on December 20th. And that's obviously, we're a day ahead here in Australia. The price of Solana gained over 8% and exceeded $80, a new high in 2023. And its market cap also stood above $34 billion for the first time since April 2022, which is very, very interesting because, when you think like $80 US, this thing was very expensive in the previous bull market. Like it was unobtainable pretty much, hundreds of US dollars. So it's still cheap in my opinion. It's way cheap. And I keep dollar cost averaging into it anyway. Only Binance's BNB, Tether, USDT, Ethereum, and Bitcoin boasted larger market caps at present time. Very, very nice. Then we have another article as well. What is actually going on? But Solana's native asset, Solana, flipped XRP this morning to again become the 5th largest crypto by market cap after gaining more than 700% since its market bottom out at the end of last year. Solana is now valued at $34 billion. This makes Sol one of the best performing top 100 cryptos of 2023. And again, there's all going updates here about XRP, of course. Now, if we go here, Solana versus crypto, you can see the market cap. XRP is right there at 15.7 billion. And of course, Solana's 11.7 billion. Obviously flipping XRP right there. We also have Doge, Polkadot, Dai, Tron, Unisat, Leo, I believe it's called, Avalanche. AVAX is doing quite well. Also, Shiba Inu, Litecoin, FTX token. Stay the hell away from that. Chainlink, Polygon, and Stellar Lumens, XLM, very, very nice, at 2.9. Follows literally everything that XRP does. It's like a fork of XRP anyway. And we have Solana also breaking stablecoin transfer volume record, which is enormous. And this is only the beginning with Solana as well. They are partnered with Visa because of their low fees. Low fees are the way. If they're using Ethereum, forget about it. I'm not interested. The gas fees are insane. Just does my head in. You lose a lot of money transferring on the Ethereum network. But anyway, Solana has become the network with the highest stablecoin transfer volume. Solana has increased by over 3% to trade around $75 US. Now, based on AM Crypto's analysis right here of Artemis data, both the stablecoin market cap and stablecoin growth on Solana have witnessed an increase. The stablecoin metrics showed a notable increase in inflow, particularly this month, December, surpassing levels observed in the previous months. This marked for the first time such as a consistent inflow of volume has been observed in several months. Very, very nice. I'm getting through this quick because I don't want my camera to run out of battery, unfortunately. I don't have one of those power plugs, so I'm smashing through this. Ripple CEO, XRP News, declares a strategy for 2024. An XRP price invalidates short-term downtrend, which is nice as well. We have Ripple witnessed another milestone on Wednesday as the year comes to an end in form of registering as a VASP with the Central Bank of Ireland, which I covered yesterday. And the event also happened to act as a bullish catalyst to the XRP price, which broke through the recent downtrend. And that's really, really nice as well. And we have updates in relation to Brad Garlinghouse remaining very, very bullish. And you can see here, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse in a tweet stated that the payment processor will be heading into 2024 with a compliance-first mindset, as they always have. Bullish. And this tweet was reference to recent regulatory win in Ireland. How nice is that? Compliance. They're freaking compliant. They're one of the only projects out there that literally puts out a quarterly report. I don't know anyone else that does that, which is insane. And BlackRock reveals major Bitcoin ETF update as a huge $1.6 trillion crypto pump happens. And the Bitcoin price has added 40% over the last 6 months alone, pushed by a flood of Bitcoin spot exchange traded fund applications, and are helping combine Bitcoin and Ethereum and XRP Solana. And the crypto market double in 1.6 trillion over the last 12 months. This is nothing compared to what's happening. But now, as rumors of the secret sovereign Bitcoin bid, BlackRock has revealed its proposed spot Bitcoin ETF will trade with the ticker IBIT, if approved, and has moved to appease uncertain regulators like Gary Gensler. Very, very nice. So that is the ticker right there. That is IBIT. There you go, IBIT. Very, very nice to see that as well. Coinbase, their shares are absolutely freaking skyrocketing as well, which is interesting. And Coinbase CEO brushes off the political pressure and upcoming Bitcoin ETF decision as $200 stock price emerges on the horizon. And I actually don't have any Coinbase shares because they don't pay dividends. I'm in it for the cash flow, really. But it's pretty crazy to see this. And again, Coin becomes the top crypto pick for 2023. And Cathie Woods is quite smart because she's been selling off a lot of Coinbase shares, putting that money probably towards Bitcoin for their exchange traded fund. And yes, here we go. ARK Invest shifts gears into fintech amid Coinbase surge. ARK's latest trade filings disclose a sale of 28,000 shares valued at $4.6 million US from its innovative ETF. And Cathie Woods ARK Invest has intensified its sale of Coinbase shares, offloading a substantial amount from its key funds in a notable shift in investment strategy, which is really interesting as well. I mean, she sold off millions, guys. Look at this. The sale follows a previous divestment right here of $59 million of Coinbase shares last week. Consequently, Coinbase stock has soared, closing at $161 last night's trading session, which is wild. Welcome to the live stream, by the way. If you are new here, thank you very much. I appreciate it. It's an early one, everyone. The buy flow, we've got money flowing into Bitcoin, Ethereum, of course, we've got Near Protocol, AVAX. We have money going into Cardano, Stacks. We have Chainlink, Filecoin right here, and FET. I have no idea what the hell FET is. Quickly go to X, ladies and gents. I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Make sure you follow me on the correct X page. Please, there are fake accounts that are verified. Some people are even saying that my birthday is on October 10th, I believe it is the fake one. It's not. My birthday is the 8th of August. You can't fake that when it's on your ID. Anyway, Wall Street Bull Oz. That is my XRP skull ring. I've got some new videos, by the way, of this skull ring. You're going to freak when you see it. It's unreal. Took some videos today. A lot of you have ordered these, so thank you very much. If you would like one, I'm still got 40% off on my website, which is on the X page right there. Let me just show you the link. There it is right there. You can go grab one, use the discount code BF40. You will not regret it. They're serious rings right there. Have a look at that. If this thing wants to load, there you go. All right. Bullish as anything, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the live stream. All right. Now we've got Michael Saylor. It is not unreasonable to suggest that a Bitcoin ETF might be the biggest development on Wall Street in 30 years. It's about freaking time. We have Eric Buchanan's right here, and an ETF fixes this. Crypto wallet maker Ledger says it will cover the $600,000 worth of assets lost by victims. There you go. Stuart Alderodi, biggest crypto story of 2023. Gary Gensler suffered his worst loss when Judge Torres ruled that XRP is not a security. Judge Torres, you're an absolute legend. Thank you. Coinbase stock again is absolutely going parabolic. Betting markets are indicating a higher probability of a spot Bitcoin ETF. I don't know why the hell you would bet on this. Save your money. That's just stupid. Moving on, we have the SEC holds another meeting with Grayscale to discuss its spot Bitcoin ETF. And it was funny, I was looking up, there's been like dozens and dozens of meetings between the SEC and all of these institutions. How many meetings does it need? There is Gary Gensler right there. Mr. Burns, 100%. Fear and Greed actually sitting at 74. Here's the Bitwise ad. Let's have a look.
Thought you would like to know. Satoshi sends his regards. Look for Bitwise, my friends.
It's a pretty cool ad, don't you think? I think so. And yet, here we go right here. My Bitcoin ring's actually better than his. Yes, that was this morning. 607, I should say that it made me today. And I took out Profit around about 340 USDT today. So that equates to what, like $500. So yeah, that went into my funding account. That's going to help with the Christmas shopping, ladies and gents. Moving down, 3 commas, new signal bot video. You can go watch that. It's pretty incredible stuff. It's quite technical. I will make that very clear. It's not for beginners. The dollar cost averaging bots are much easier and I prefer them. But the signal bot is also cool. And I do have a strategy in there, which I've shown in that video. So go check it out. 3 commas. Quick look at Michael Saylor now.
Chair of MicroStrategy. Of course, MicroStrategy, often seen as a Bitcoin proxy. It holds a lot of it on its balance sheet. Michael, great to see you. Thank you so much for joining us. Obviously, there's been so much anticipation and frankly, a lot built in, I think, to the price of Bitcoin of this idea that spot ETFs are finally going to come. What's the next catalyst for Bitcoin if and when that happens? How much further can it be pushed upward?
Well, I think you can't really underestimate the significance of the spot ETFs. It's not unreasonable to suggest that this may be the biggest development on Wall Street in 30 years. I mean, the last thing that was this consequential was the creation of the S&P index and the ability to invest in all 500 S&P companies via one trade at the same time. So this is very eagerly anticipated, but most of the money in the Bitcoin market right now is the hodlers and the traditional crypto investors. Mainstream investors, mainstream retail, mainstream institutions have not had a high bandwidth compliant channel to invest in this asset class until these spot ETFs. So I think in January, the approval of the spot ETFs is going to be a major catalyst. It's going to definitely drive a demand shock. And then that will be followed in April with a supply shock because there are about 900 Bitcoin a day available for sale by natural sellers, the miners. And that...
Incredible. There you go. Michael Saylor's right. I watched him live at OzCryptoCon anyway, and unbelievable. He's been absolutely true and correct. Crypto Rover, bull flag breakout, 100%. Yeah, Saylor, he hasn't sold at a loss, which is incredible. And financial institutions expressed their confidence in the SEC's potential green light for a spot Bitcoin ETF after January 8th. How good is that going to be for the new year? Come on, bulls. That's going to be incredible. Let's have a quick look at my altcoins in the banking list. Everyone should have a banking list, ladies and gentlemen. If you're in the Patreon, you know I'm very, very big on this. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all of these coins right here are the ones I'm focusing on. Hedera as well. Guys, Solana's been pumping like mad. If we just go and have a look at CoinMarketCap, it is up 20% in the 7 days. In the 30 days, it's up 50%. In the 90 days, we're up 336%. In this year, 610% return. Absolutely nuts. Raoul Pal has been speaking about this for months, and so have I. This thing could potentially have a run-up like Ethereum did in the previous bull market. Just going back to all time. I mean, if we just click here, I can't stand it when it does this, but let's have a look. Ethereum went up to 4,700 USD. Now, I'm just putting that out there. If this happens with Solana, I'm not saying it like 100% guaranteed. Anything's possible. But if this happens, guys, look out. It's going to be absolutely wild. There you go. Anyway, let's get to the live chat right here. And I'm not sure what's happened with my phone. It's really annoying. Let me just bring it back up. Let me see if I can do this. No, it's having a moment. I think my camera's going to blow up right now. This is live, ladies and gentlemen. I can't stop it. Anyway, look, I think I've got some technical difficulties here, ladies and gents. But I think my camera's overheating, so I might have to end the live stream. I do apologize. But I will get to everyone in the comments. Make sure you leave your comments below and I'll get to everybody. Sorry about this, bulls. My camera is literally overheating. It's been going for 30 minutes now. But anyway, I'll speak to everyone tomorrow, guys. Thank you for tuning in to the live stream. And sorry about the technical problems. It's live. Join the Patreon. I'll be speaking with everyone in there. And yeah, guys, I do apologize. First time. All right. Peace out, guys. Take care of yourselves. Join the Patreon.